The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Bledsoe County, Marion County, Secretary County until 7:45 a.m. At 6:54 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles west of Witchwell, or 10 miles north of Jasper. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Dunlop, Pikeville, Witchwell, Martin Springs, Powell's Crossroads, Griffith Creek, Cartwright, Paleo, and Brayton. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Wednesday for East Tennessee.